Now that we're done modeling the fishing rod, let's add some color to our game object. There are many different ways to apply color in Unity, but we'll keep things simple. To keep things simple and reduce the number of material objects you need, we're going to use a color palette. You can create this color palette in any photo editing software you prefer. You may have noticed that the object is all one object combined. We used the Combine tool on each part of the fishing rod. The process for each part of the fishing rod is simple. Start by selecting a face on the object, then go to the inspector, and then from there, scroll down to the Isolate tool. This tool lets you automatically select all the faces that belong to the specific object. In the UV editor, you'll want to select Plane in the Unwrap group and set your projection axis to View and then click Unwrap. Make sure that the faces that you want unwrapped are selected. When in the UV editor, you want to move your selected vertices or faces to the color swatch on your material. Make sure your material has been assigned to your model. Now, just repeat this for every part of the fishing rod until completed.